Hello everyone, welcome again to my channel. In today's video I'll show you a female cartoon face with color. So let's get started. Here first I'm trying to construct the face with the help of circle and placing the organs like eyes, ears, nose, mouth in the place. I'm keeping everything rough in this stage with very light strokes thanks to my software and the pen pad to get the pencil paper feeling. Here I am thinking about the hair that suits the face. As it's not clear what hairstyle I should draw, I decided to draw the eyes first. Because eyes are the most important part of the face as it gives an appeal to the face. This face is in 3/4, so the eye towards the camera will be bigger than the other. The eyebrows of the female character shall be thin and beautiful. Here in eyeball, I have planned to give highlight and the upper part of the eyes I will keep dark. Coming to the mouth, I'll give the character lips as it looks very beautiful in female character but need to be very careful about the shape and proper position. Sometimes it happens, individually the lips looks great but on a face it does not suits. The nose of a female character, I'll keep it simple. Again I am coming back to the eyes as I want to give the face a beautiful look and eyes are the one which will connect with the viewers. In between I am giving the face some lines for dimension like the nose lines. After putting those lines, again I am continuing with the eyes. To find whether it looks nice or not or there is any mistake, I will flip the face thanks to the software. This mouth is not looking that great, so we'll do new one, a simple mouth, and after then fix the face shape. To this face, I will put a nice hairstyle which will add beauty to the face. I am thinking to give a bindi. You can see I am repeatedly fixing small things in between. Because we need to balance all the things, the shape, eyes, nose, mouth, hairstyles, etc. I keep changing the parts and see whether that looks good or not. Hair should be done freely with a flow in lines. It looks quite good, so let's extend a bit. Ears will not visible as the hairs are covering it, but I will show the earrings. So here I am giving the final touch-ups to my character before coloring it. Now the coloring part. Here there is nothing much to demonstrate. In the first stage of coloring, I have used some flat color to the face. For the dress pattern, it's the brush which is giving the pattern. Here are few brushes I am checking for the dress. In the second stage of coloring, I have taken a black color with 20% opacity to give some shadow. Third stage of coloring, again black color, but this time 40% opacity to give more darker shadow. Last stage is the highlight, and that is with white color of around 40 to 50 opacity. So yes, a female cartoon character is ready. I hope you like this character of mine. Please let me know if you like my digital work or you all want me to continue with pencil paper. But anyways, I will continue both the ways. So if you like the video, please hit thumbs up and share it with your friends. If you are here for the first time, then please do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get the notification whenever I upload any video. And it's totally free. So till next video, take care, bye bye.